Hey guys, so today I will be doing a review for Gigi's Slime World on Etsy, and I will link all the information in the description box. So to begin, it came in this bubble envelope. Alrighty, and when I open it, I can already smell, like something smells really good in here. So let's just take a look. We have some tissue paper. And we have some extras. Okay, so we have a little container of these really beautiful hollow glitters. I guess these are charms, like a charm that you can put in your slime. So lollipop, as well as some of these foam or beads. So yeah, this is really cute. And in this container, I believe this is borax is what it looks like. Yes, it's borax. We have this really awesome rainbow with a unicorn. Moving on, here we have the slime. Let's see if we have any more. We do have some candy extras. Our first slime, it is wrapped in tissue paper. And it comes with this cute little donut charm. So yeah, this cloud slime is so stretchy, as you can see, and it is the absolute perfect cloud slime texture, and I love how it comes with the charm, and it smells absolutely wonderful. And next, we have a smaller container. So I am loving this slime. It is like not sticky one single bit, and it is so stretchy, and it creates the most perfect swirls ever, and it's so easy and it doesn't stick to you, so I totally recommend it. We have this, which looks like a lot of fun. Alrighty, so I am absolutely in love with this. This slime smells so amazing. It makes so many awesome crunchy noises and pops. It is so pretty. Look at that pink color with these pink floam beads. It is just so much fun. So this is probably my favorite so far. I have one more in here, and it looks like, I guess this is two more. It looks like this one had a little bit of a problem, but we're just gonna have to see if it can be recovered. But yeah, the purple slime seems to have come out. Did break on this one, but we still have these awesome jelly cubes in here. So I could easily add some slime to it, and there's still a bit left, so it's not totally broken, and it also makes these awesome jelly cube sounds. So this one isn't too big of a problem. Lastly, we have a little container of this plain white slime. It's got some of the purple on it, I guess from, that one was broken, so I guess we'll see how that goes. I love it. Sometimes just a plain white slime can be a lot of fun as well. They smell so amazing, and I would totally, especially recommend this one. So yeah, definitely check out Gigi's Slime World on Etsy. Thanks for watching.